Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to create and set up mark points in EasyEDA. Mark points are mainly used for optical alignment in pick and place machines, so their structure is actually very simple. Basically, a solid circular pad with a slightly larger solid mask opening around it. Let's walk through the steps. First, go to the toolbar on the left and choose Place Pad. Place a circular pad on your PCB and position it where you want your mark point to be. Then in the right-hand prototype panel, change the pad type to top layer. Third is placed on the top cover. Next, we need to add the expansion ring around the mark point. This is the solder mask opening. In the right sidebar, go to solder past mask expansion, switch it to custom, and then just adjust the solder mask expansion value. Set it a bit larger, for example about 1 mm. Once you do that, you will see a larger perfect circle around the pad. That's the solder mask opening, and is an optical ring the pick and place machine used for positioning. With this, the basic mark point is already done. Now let's talk about a very important step, adding a prohibited region around the mark point. In real SMT production, this area should be kept clean. You don't want silk screen, copper, chassis, or any other component to cross. Otherwise, the pick and place machine might fail to recognize the mark. So go to Place, find Prohibited Region, and draw a region around the mark point. After drawing it, a pop-up window will appear. In the Prohibited Options section, you will see different items like chassis, components, copper areas, and so on. Depending on the factory requirements, you can select the one you need, or simply check everything to make it a fully restricted area. Finally, double-check the size and the position. Mark points are usually placed symmetrically. For example, one at the top left corner and another at the bottom right corner of the PCB. But you can always adjust them based on your manufacturer's guidelines. This feature is extremely important in real PCB production. If you forget to press mark point, the factory might not be able to run the pick and place process, or they may return the board and ask you to modify it. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.